Hello, this is me here trying to check my 2008 Range Rover fuel pressure, but I'm under the hood here. I couldn't find anywhere to check it. I have the gauge, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So what I had to do is take off the engine cover and take this part off that was here. This guy here was this part here was here, and I took it off, and I took this guy. This is the engine oil hole. I took it off, and then I had to come here. This part right here, I had to take it off. I had to pull this one off right here. I had to take it off. Then I saw some, some gas coming out of the hole. And what I did is put this barrel here. I put that hole inside the barrel here. This hole here, I put it inside the barrel, and then I went and turned on the engine, and I turned it off within within few seconds, less than a second if you like. When I came back, it was half full, almost half full of gas, which tells me that my fuel pump is good. It's working fine. Thank you, and have a good day. If you have a 2008 Range Rover that you're trying to check fuel pressure through to under the hood, yeah, this might be a solution, because I couldn't find anywhere else to do this. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.